Hello, this is Wale from Godbrain Games with the SQL min function tutorial. To select the smallest number from a column in a table like we have here, you use the built-in min function from SQL. Well, we use SQL's built-in min function. So let's get into that. So to make it happen, we use select in all caps, this min, then the name of the column that we want to get the smallest number out of. So amount to smallest number, we do that. And then by the way, depending on your compiler, you might need an apostrophe between the select and the min like that. And you might need a comma after the amount like that, depending on your compiler. This one doesn't. I'm not sure if W3 Schools does, but I've seen it different ways. And then to wrap it up, we have to get we use a from, and then the table name that we're grabbing the column from. So amount comes from the orders table. So that's why that's pretty much it, yeah. And then a semicolon behind it. Press run, and we get the min amount, or the smallest number. Let's see. I'll give you another example as well. I'll make sure I'm not missing anything in this one, but it's pretty simple. So for our second example, I'm gonna get the smallest number from the shippings table. So I'm gonna get the lowest shipping ID, and it should be number 1. And I think it was shipping ID, and the table name, it's either shipping or shippings. I'm not sure why you would name anything shippings, but they named it shippings. All right. So we love programs.com, by the way. No shade. I would just name it shipping. But anyways, so let's run this. And the smallest number in the shipping ID column is number 1. And that's what it printed out. Yep. So just remember, with different compilers, you might have to put an apostrophe in between the select and the min, and you might have to put a comma after shipping ID. But other than that, that's really it. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and there should be a lot more SQL tutorials coming this year. So stick around. Oh, and leave any questions or comments in the comment section. Have a good one.